Sir, what happened today in the petition filed by Dhyan Foundation regarding the transportation of cattle from the KPM to some other place?
See, the matter came up yesterday and then they were supposed to give some plan of shifting, and because of which court has scheduled the matter today at 4 p.m. But when the matter came up, Dhyan Foundation did not give any plan. So court refused to grant any further indulgence. The court said that government to shift the remaining cattle. We have reported that out of 109 cattle which were there, yesterday some were shifted, and today some more cattle are shifted to the government authorized Gaushala, and some 20-25 cattle are still remaining. The court said that shift them in the due course, and matter is kept on Monday for compliance. Now they have said that Dhyan Foundation, the petitioner, they also should assist this process for the easy transfer, so that there is no much trouble caused while shifting these animals, because there are some videos circulated which are really disturbing videos. So we have also informed the court that we will take proper care and caution while shifting them, and all these rules, guidelines, laws are there for shifting of cattle. So we will follow that and we will do. That is what we have informed the court. Matter is now kept on Monday for compliance.